What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. It's a little something different today. Now, as you know, we're all in the middle of this COVID thing, and you know, it's really put a damper on a lot of things, especially people that have birthdays right now. So I got a text from a friend the other day, and you know, we're in this group text of people that I've known since, you know, grade school or whatever, all kept in touch over the years and try to get together once in a while to do stuff, and that's cool. And one of the friends said, hey, one of our friends has got a birthday this weekend. He said, since we can't all get together and go do something, how about we do something for them to where we could still practice the whole social distance thing, but also be able to provide a drink for the birthday girl. So we're like, yeah, that's a great idea. I'll no doubt help with that for an old friend. So what we did, we got this idea, and I've seen this before, and you guys may have seen this on social media or something, but you go to somebody's doorstep. It's like the chug challenge thing, but we're doing it like birthday style. Like, one of us shows up every 15 or 30 minutes or whatever it is. Like, I got a 6 o'clock here, it's at about 5 minutes, and I'm just taking a little ride around town right now until my time's up. But I got our drink in my saddlebag. I'm gonna set it on her doorstep, ring the bell, then just stand back and watch her drink it and get it on film for all the friends. And we're gonna do a collaboration video where we put them all together and send it to her, or put it on social or YouTube or something like that. So it should be a fun idea, fun time. Looking forward to it. And it gets me out on the bike. That's what I wanted to do different about it. It's like, hey, I'm gonna freaking do a 2-wheel delivery. So that sounds like an awesome time. Speaking of old friends and stuff, this is the high school they went to. This is the ball field. Played a couple years of high school ball, and the football field's right back there. And this is the new the new elementary school that was built. This is the one my boys go to. It's really nice in there. A lot better than the school that I had when I was in kindergarten through, what, 2nd or 3rd grade. I think I was in that, 2nd grade. That's how long I was in that building, but yeah. All right, 5 minutes left. That's about how long it should take us to get over to Kellie's house. And it's funny too, because, you know, we've been texting this afternoon, and her husband's trying to avoid, because she wanted to go on a country cruise. Which, if you guys don't know what a country cruise is, that's kind of where you go booze cruising out in the sticks. Not really illegal, but it's something we did all the time back in high school. We had no shame. But she was insistent on going for a country cruise, and he's like, oh, let's just stay here, I guess. He just conned her into sticking around. So if you guys are wondering what drink I got for her, we had a conversation, you know, asking about what does she like to drink, this and that. I don't know if she likes beer or whatever, but heard she likes the White Claw, and my wife loves White Claw. She's always got it in the fridge. So we decided, hey, well, she could have one of our White Claws. I mean, I don't drink the stuff. I tried it. It's just not for me. But if it's for you, more power to you. Route 66 trail bike route. Yeah, I feel sorry for people, because I know a couple of people that have been celebrating birthdays. Well, actually, a lot of people that have been celebrating birthdays in the middle of all this, and it just sucks. You can't go anywhere. You got to stay home. But this is something really cool that I thought was awesome, an awesome idea. And hopefully we keep it going. I mean, my birthday was already in February, so it's likely not going to happen for me. And everybody else has already had a birthday this year, besides, you know, mid-March when all this crap started. Oh man, it is such a beautiful evening out. And it's supposed to be like in the 80s this weekend. So that should be nice. I think we plan on cooking out and stuff. Got the kids one of those like John Deere Power Wheel Gators, and they're just loving that. them a little mini trampoline. We figure if we're gonna have the kids home a whole bunch. Hey there, dog, taking a piss. We figured if we're gonna have the kids inside a whole bunch, or at least at home a bunch, we might as well, you know, get them something nice to play around the house, keep them busy. But yeah, it's tough on them. I know they're wanting to go to the zoo and all this stuff they're telling me, but it's just not happening right now because of everything that's going on. But man, it's strange times we're in right now. I've never seen anything like this in my life, and a lot of other people haven't. All right, may have missed the turn by a block, but that's okay. We still got a couple of minutes, and we're only like 3 blocks away. There's our Gillespie Fire Department. So you gotta watch these little, like, outskirt town intersections because they don't put a stop sign or a yield sign at either intersection. So you gotta look where the hell you're going. Do I need to toss it to you?
Oh my god, another fucking white claw.
It was either that or a shot of whiskey. Oh, well, she's got the whiskey too.
I'm gonna start counting. This is not for real. Happy birthday!
Are you glad you didn't go on that country cruise? Yeah. You started early, didn't you? It's going. All right, just chatted for a minute at a distance. Well, that was a success, man. She got choked up. She was real happy about all this. All right, I'm gonna go and grab a 12-pack of Modelo I got waiting for me at Freddy's, and I'm gonna go home and have a relaxing evening. Well, guys, thanks for joining me on the channel once again. I hope the video brightened your day, maybe a little bit. I don't know, but enjoy your day, enjoy every mile, enjoy your time. I'm out of here.